may iba kasi siyang ginawa eh. Oo, ginulo niya yung ano mo, yung kanta mo. Paparinig ko ulit sa'yo ha. Paano ko ba tayo? Ayoko yung pamanaan, mo. Ayoko marunong sa. Hinina ko lang kasi yung boses ko dyan eh. Kasi nga hindi pwede palakas kasi nga gabi yun. Ay, ano, pag ano kasi hindi ko nilalakas. I just had a dream that you were far away. And then someone else, what is your answer today? To say no, this just a dream. It's still my pain is so plain. Cause I know that dream cause something to I be blue team. I told myself that I will stay the one. Every view hurts me, I will take the please. You are all I am living for. I want to love you evermore. I want to keep the pain inside my door. Even news for me that I have come to love you, I see because the heart I have was only what you do. I just want you to remember, and it take forever. I want to wait until the morning is through. When all the no, lady, it's only me and you. Hindi nga yung left. Yes, I told myself it did always stay the one. Every if you hurts me, I won't take the feeling. You are only in living form. I won't love you anymore. I want keep that face inside my door. Hindi ba sabi sa'yo? Yan ba sabihan mo mga sa'kin? Ikaw, yan pakantayin mo kung iyaan. Ay, asa? Ay, yung kapatid daw, mga ibang kapatid ang inuwan yan. Bakit? Kaya sinasabi niya? Yan ibang lalaki sa'kin? Ay, magalatay sila? Yan? Tsaka, ikaw nga lang mga sa kapatid mo yan? Ano, bobo? Eh, siya lang bobo, hindi ako bobo. Bakit? Matulunod ako. Ay, di naman siya ni Joey kahit wala siyang mana. Oo. Pinapanyado sabi niya. Sabi niya kasi mas magaling daw ako. Kasi tuturuan ko kayo kasi ganyan kami. Yung pala, pinain. Ngayon, nag-ano siya, pinayahin siya ni Jenny. Pinaya ko siya. Pinaya ko niya. Pero, bobo ka? Ano sinabi mo, sinasabi ko anak niya? Because I want you. I just want you to remember. Even if it take forever, I won't wait until the world is through. I wait for you. You know this truth that I can love you with you when I'm saying it's only me and you. Ayun na, naman ako, ano magbasa? Oh, bakit? Talaga naman ganun yung boss ko na. Pinagbago yung boses niya. Hindi niya alam, yan lang ang pabo sa akin. Di ba